Welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. Today we're going to be continuing talking about prepositions. These are prepositions of movement: back to, back from, with, and for. So here are some pictures. We talk about what you can see. So here we could say the line goes to the box, or the line goes toward the box. The line goes back to the box, and the line comes back from the box. Now match the sentences to the pictures. The plane is going to London. That would be picture C. He is coming back from the office, picture B. And Jan was in Paris, and now she is traveling back to Madrid. So for prepositions of movement, to shows a destination. So he's going to the shop. He's driving to San Diego. Back indicates return to a place. I'm on vacation. I will go back to work tomorrow. I live in London. I am in Brussels today. I will travel back to London tonight. Back from indicates a return to a starting place from a different place. I live in Melbourne. I am in Sydney today. I will travel back from Sydney tonight. He is coming back from the wedding. All right, so now complete these sentences using back to or back from. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So the lady came back from the shops with a lot of groceries. It's 1 p.m. I have to go back to the office now. I have a meeting at 1:15. I was born in Berlin. Now I live in Stuttgart. Every year I travel back to Berlin at Christmas time. Mr. Jones is not in the office at the moment. He will come back to the office later today. This new coffee machine is broken. I am taking it back to the shop. Daryl thinks he left his wallet at the cafe. He just ran back to the cafe to check. The bonfire is very hot. Please move back from the flames. The weather is very bad. I cannot fly back to my city tonight because the flights have been canceled. The police told everyone to move back from the accident. To move back from means to move your body a short distance. We had to move back from the fire. Move back to or from means to move house or move the place where you live. Last year we moved back from Los Angeles. Next year we will move back to London. So Jake lives in London. Today he is in Paris for a meeting, and tonight he will return back to London or back from Paris. They are driving to a party. They are at the party. Now they're coming back from the party. So the plane is flying to Paris, or you could also say the plane is leaving for Paris. So to show a destination, you can use to show a destination. So I'm going to the park. But after certain verbs, we use for to show a destination. So the ship is heading for Rome. But we wouldn't say I am going for the park, because going is not one of the verbs that we would use for with, but heading is. So for those, you have to pay attention to the verb. All right, so we use for with these verbs. I'm leaving for home now. He set out for the mountains. The plane is taking off for Sao Paulo. But we would not say I am leaving to Italy. It would be I'm leaving for Italy. With means in the same direction as. So the boat is traveling with the wind. And we use with before some nouns. With the tide, with the traffic, with the wind, with the current. All right, now you're going to use with plus one of the words from the boxes to complete the sentences. You can pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So the boat was moving with the current. The flag was blowing with the wind. We were driving with the traffic. And the sea goes up and down with the tide. All right, this time you're going to use back to, back from, for, or with. I can't stay long at lunch. I need to get back to the office by 4 p.m. for a meeting. The ship was moving down the river with the current. Hurry up, the train leaves for Union Station in 3 minutes. He feels tired now. He carried the bags back from the supermarket. I think I left my bag in the classroom. I have to go back to the classroom now to see if I can find it. Ladies and gentlemen, the train on platform 7 will leave for Strasbourg in 2 minutes, and the trees are blowing with the wind. They were ready to go camping. They set out for the forest early in the morning, and you can eat dinner without me tonight. I won't be back from the office until very late. All right, and we do not use back to with home, here, and there. So we would say, I'm going back home. He is coming back here now. She is going back there. But you cannot say, I'm going back to home. He is going back to here now, or she's going back to there. So these home, here, and there, we do not use to. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.